Now let's talk about scientific skills for a bit. You'll be required to make a poster, and the poster is basically you explaining an experiment. You have to state the independent, dependent, and controlled variables in your experiment. The independent variable is the variable that you are manipulating. The dependent variable is the variable that changes as a result of you manipulating the independent variable. Controlled variables are any other variables that must be kept constant and to prevent the dependent variable being affected by any other thing than the independent variable. Now, when you collect results, you have to make sure you understand what significant figures are, and significant figures in this example, the number of significant figures in this example would be 5. Any 0 before that, a 6, wouldn't count as a significant figure. So significant figures are any number after the first non-zero digit. You need to learn how to add and subtract significant figures, because once you do that, you can determine the uncertainty of a measurement. And that is really important because uncertainty is a way that we measure precision, right? And uncertainty is an indicator of precision, or how precise the measurements were. Precision is in itself measures or indicates how close the results are to one another. They don't necessarily need to be right, they just need to be close to each other. Whereas accuracy measures whether the results are right or wrong. In an experiment, we usually aim for precise results and accurate ones. That is, if we conduct an experiment, we want our results to be right or to be in line with theory or with what the theory predicts. And we would like to have precise results because if you repeat the experiment multiple times and you get similar answers, it means that your experiment you have a valid experimental method, or a decent one. If not, you might have faulty equipment and you have to redo the experiment again. Now, I won't spend too much time on what to include on your poster because different schools have different methods. I have given a simple guide if you do need that, but I would highly recommend that you guys consult with your teachers. They should be your first point of contact on how to build the poster. What I would highly advise you to do is to collect your results properly. This is a way of how not to do your collection of results. Don't have confusing titles, don't have anything confusing, inconsistent. That is horrible. You need to have consistency in the way you display your results, and they need to be detailed. Include titles, units of measurement, and uncertainty. And make your results easy to read. Use a table and please draw them well. Also, with graphs, you also need to draw some graphs. Please include the titles, the uncertainty bars, and the units. These are